Departure about there, 4826, 2.3, 5,000 off, that's good.
Endeavor 4826, departure, you're identified, climb 7,000.
7,000 to 4826.
Endeavor 4826, turn right, direct right, come on course.
Right, come on course, to 4826.
Endeavor 4826, climb to flight level 230.
Up to 230, Endeavor 4826.
Toronto departure, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Endeavor Flight 4826. Declared emergency, just had a spark up an electrical fire up in the cockpit. Looks like it's out currently. Requesting a return back to Toronto immediately.
Endeavor 4826, turn right, heading 260 vectors for Toronto. You can descend and maintain 8,000.
260, 8,000 for Toronto, Endeavor 4826.
Endeavor 4826, do you know what runway you'd like at Toronto?
6 left, Endeavor 4826.
Endeavor 4826, roger, you can descend now 6,000. You're on vectors for 06 left.
Say again for Endeavor 4826.
Endeavor 4826, descend and maintain 6,000, vectors for 6 left.
Descend and maintain 6,000, vector 6 left, Endeavor 4826.
Endeavor 4826, descend 4,000.
4,000, Endeavor 4826.
Roger, and when you have a second, can you give me souls on board fuel remaining?
74 souls on board, 9,000 pounds of fuel, Endeavor 4826.
Endeavor 4826, roger, and any hazardous cargo?
Negative, hazardous cargo as far as we know, Endeavor 4826.
Roger, and you're on downwind leg now. How long do you need before you want to turn base?
We'd like about 5 minutes before the base, and we're set up for 6 left now, Endeavor 4826.
Roger, I checked that.
Endeavor 4826, turn right, heading 300. Just going to keep you close to the airport if that works for you.
Short 10 300, that works for us, 4826. And it appears that the fire's out. We had a spark up and flare up on our windshield, it looks like. Fire does appear to be out. We should be able to exit the runway, but we'll have fire trucks take us all the way to the gate.
Okay, that's fine. I'll let the tower know that, and I'm just going to give you right-hand orbits there until you're ready to come in.
You covered that, thank you.
Endeavor 4826, turn right, heading 040.
040, Endeavor 4826.
Endeavor 4826, turn right, heading 060.
Right, 060, Endeavor 4826.
Endeavor 4826, turn right, heading 240.
Right, 240, Endeavor 4826.
Roger. Endeavor 4826, just for our planning, how much longer do you think you need?
And just about 2 more minutes here. You can extend this out just to pass Opie, and we'll take a nice straight in. We do plan on exiting the runway, but you can have the trucks follow us to the gate.
Okay, we will do that. So do you want about a 20-mile final?
We'll just turn base around Opie, and that should be perfect time for us.
I'm not sure where OB is, but that's fine.
Ulippy?
Oh, you want to turn for Ulippy? Okay, no problem. I know where that is.
Copy, thank you.
Endeavor 4826, fly heading of 260.
260, Endeavor 4826.
Endeavor 4826, when you're ready to send to 3000, fly heading of 270.
3000.
Endeavor 4826, turn right heading 330. Endeavor 4826, turn right heading 360. Endeavour 4826, turn right heading 030 intercept, clear the ILS approach, runway 06 left. Endeavour 4826, speed is your discretion to Vesna. Okay. Endeavour 4826, contact Toronto Tower now, 11835. Good morning.
8335, good morning, Endeavour 4826.
Okay.
Toronto Tower, good morning, it's Endeavour 4826.
Endeavour 4826, Toronto Tower, good morning, wind 050 at 5 knots. You are clear to land, runway 06 left. The vehicles are on standby. They will follow you down the runway. And any other pertinent information?
Alrighty, copy that. Clear land, 06 left. Yes, we did have an electrical fire. It looks like your windshield heater sparked up. That fire is out now. We haven't canceled the emergency yet. We are not overweight landing. And it looks like we'll be going to Bravo 7 Foxtrot, and we should be able to exit the runway.
Endeavour 4826, thanks for all that. They were listening in. They copy. And again, you are clear to land 6 left. I'll give you another wind check at about a 2-mile final.
Copy that. Clear land 6 left. Thank you. Endeavour 4826.
Red 5, you copy all that?
Red 11, check, tower.
Thank you. Check 010, 5 knots.
Endeavour 4826, did you want to stop on the runway and just have a look at before you taxi in? All right, let's get everybody over to 2267. Endeavour 4826, over to 2267. You can talk to the emergency vehicles there.
2267, Endeavour 4826.
All the red vehicles over to 2267.
Endeavour 4826 is up on 2267.
Flight 4826, red 11.
Go ahead, 4826.
Yes, brakes on, radar off. Any medicals on board?
No medicals, brakes are on, engines are at idle, and radar is off. The electrical fire was on the captain side windshield here. We did not suspect there was anything on the outside. It went out within about approximately 30 seconds. Don't suspect any aircraft damage, so if you guys want to take a look and see.
Roger, we'll have 2 firefighters on the ground momentarily.
Copy that, thank you.
4826, red 11.
Go ahead, 4826.
Yes, sir, everything checks out okay. There's no temperature differential from your side to the co-pilot side. We're going to pull in behind you, and you're welcome to go to the gate.